everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm just going to do a brief reveal of my August Stampin' Selections kit. This month is based around the Best Root suite, which in my mind is awesome for two reasons. One being the colours can be seen as male themed, not necessarily, but you can, you know, there's no flowers and pink and purples. So if you wanted to create some male themed things or non-girly kind of things like I normally do because I like shabby chic, then this is the suite for you. Now, I'm going to be encouraging my customers who buy my kits regularly, and who are members of my private Facebook group for kit customers. I'm going to be encouraging them to do some scrapbooking. So I'm going to do a private video tutorial on some scrapbook layouts and maybe some Memories and More layouts as well. So we're going to have awesome fun with this kit. And here's just a selection. Not everything has arrived yet because I've been away on the incentive trip. I haven't got everything in. I'm about a week behind with my ordering. So what's in this kit? Well, you're going to obviously get the stunning DSP, which comes in lots of designs. I will leave a full list over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'll leave a visual so you can see all the sheets. Don't actually want to open this one yet, if I'm honest. But you're going to get half a pack, so that is 6 sheets. Okay, so you're getting all the designs in the pack. You're also going to get the coordinating cardstock, and the colours in this are, I think it's Blueberry Bushel, is it on here? I believe it's Blueberry Bushel, Grey Granite, and is it Grapefruit Grove? I do believe those are the colours. And those are the colours throughout, and they're represented here as well. And these are the self-adhesive embellishments, and you're going to get what I call a kit share of those as well. So it's not a full pack, it's a share, like a sample pack. You're also going to get some of each of the washi tape. There's 3 different designs there, and you'll get some of each. And we've also got the Memories and More cards here, which you will get a share of. This is unopened. I'll let you have a look at this one. This is an opened one. So I'll just quickly show you some of these. They are awesome, and there's some stickers in there as well. And basically the Memories and More cards, they've got sentiments on, they've got pictures on, they've got spots for journaling, all sorts. So perfect for scrapbooking, perfect for Memories and More layouts, or perfect to use as card fronts. We've got some stickers as well. They're just amazing. They're awesome. So there's going to be lots of those in the kit as well. As well as that, there are some various, I think I've got Night of Navy, thick twine, thick baker's twine, and some of the linen thread as well is going to be in this kit. And along with that, I'm going to bring you a variety of these, which are page protectors. These are the 6x8. These are the Memories and More ones that go in the smaller folder. So you're going to get a selection of those to do Memories and More layouts because they fit the cards in perfectly. But I've also got a brand new unique idea for these that I'm going to be sharing with kit customers as well. And you're also going to get a selection, if you can see if I just zoom out. These are the 12x12 page protectors. So you're going to get some which are plain, which slide a full 12x12 sheet in for a full scrapbook layout, and then some of the sectioned ones as well for pocket scrapbooking. And I'm going to do, as I say, private video sharing how I've done mine. So if you would like that kit, you need to contact me either by email, which is amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com, or you can come on over to Facebook and find me over there and send me a PM that way. And the kits are available to order, and payment is due up to the last date for payment and for ordering is the 14th of August. I need them all paid for and all organised by then so that I can order the stuff and get them out in a timely manner. I like them to be out. I aim for the 3rd week of the month. Sometimes it's running into the 4th, but they're always out before the end of the month. barring incidents or delays with the things arriving to me. I get them out more or less straight away. And the kits are always decorated using the products. I decorate them nicely. I don't reveal the full decoration on YouTube now because I like it to be a surprise. But I'm going to be including, you know, like I say, some lovely decorative items in that kit. And you can upgrade your kit to include the stamp set, which is the en route. There's no die with it, so it's a quite a budget friendly kit because it is just the stamp set. There's no dies with it. But there is an embossing folder if you'd like to upgrade with either of those. Let me know when you order your kit and I can add those to your kit at no extra postage. I can arrange that for you, it's not a problem. All payments are via PayPal or bank transfer. I will send you an invoice, a business invoice for you to pay. So there you go. As I say, all of the full details will be over on my blog today at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. It will list the full list of items and services that you get, and the price is, as always, £21. Now, I just want to remind you that you can opt in to 6 monthly commitment. You don't have to pay 6 months up front, but if you commit and you buy a kit every month for 6 months, on the 6th month you will get a bonus kit for free. Now if you take that option, that's breaking these kits down and working them out to £18 a month, which is a very, very good price because you're getting that free bonus kit. And some of my customers are due their bonus kit this month, so they will be getting that as well as this kit, so they're going to have kind of like double bubble this month for their money. So I hope that they enjoyed it. I'm sure they will, and I'm sure that they're going to absolutely love the private videos. So just let me know if you'd like to order one. As I say, email me or hop on over to my blog. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.